Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Cruze key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a smooth flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn the key over like this, and here on the side, right in this side, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it, pull this mechanical key out. Now, when you remove the mechanical key out, take this mechanical key, and with the tip here, now you need to turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down like this. And in this hole, right in this hole, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key like this. And when you insert it, twist and push a little bit. This way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. So remove the back piece over here. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right after that, on this side, you see your old dead battery over here. Now, take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here, and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the negative side facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces together again. Make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Now when you snap these two pieces together again, take your mechanical key, insert it back in the fob like this, just like in the beginning. So insert it here, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.